Ever have an NES system with a flashing red light? Want to know how to fix it? I'll show you how. This look familiar? Turn on the NES and you just get the flashing light and you wonder what's going on. Back in the day, you used to pull the game out, blow in it, stick it back in, and sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't work. Let me show you how to fix it. Then we got these here. Got this one, these two, and these two. Note, this one and this other inside one are a little longer than the outside. Now, this black piece you want to slip forward, lift up. You can see I can do it with one hand. Slide it out, which leaves this on. This is the terminal. You have the connectors here. These are the connectors you're going to work with. There's also connectors on the back side of this that go down and into this board. What I'm going to do is lift the circuit board up. And then carefully pull this. You put your thumb here and your thumb here and push back. Walk this off. There you go. This goes onto the main circuit board. This is the part that goes onto your cart. I'm not sure how the focus is on this. Let's try this again. So you take one of these little bitty flatheads. Use this for like eyeglasses. And you slip it underneath the pen. And you just twist. And that gives it enough flex to raise the pen. And then just repeat that step. Do the next one. These, we'll just look at them all. And this one right here, it's a little corrosion on it. So we'll just take this screwdriver. I don't know if you can see it. And we're going to take a Q-tip, clean these contacts. With some alcohol and a Q-tip, we're just going to clean these contacts. Here's the orientation. The longer side on the top. Bottom side goes directly under the board. We're just going to slide it in, lining it up. Things we're going to look at for lining it up. We're going to line up the contacts and the screw holes. And then carefully just work it on. It's going to be really snug. After bending those pins down, you're going to make the contact a lot better, and it's going to be a lot more snug than whenever it first came off. Now we're just going to repeat reinstalling the board. Drop this platter down so that this guide pin and this guide pin line up just fine. This has this notch on it. You drop it down, slide it in. Now let's just work backwards on putting the screws back in. Now let's try the game that was originally in it, ice hockey. We cleaned its contacts over there. We don't have to push this down to test. We can just hit the power button, and there we go. So that right there, folks, is what you can do if your NES is sitting there blinking lights on you. You can clean those contacts and give it a shot. If you like this kind of content going with our picking videos, leave me a comment below and we'll see what other types of how-tos that are pretty common with resellers. Take it easy, everyone.